arrested by authorities for heckling the president during his speech in Naga. Miles Melia has more.
Militants made the most out of the visit of President Aquino in Naga City for Independence Day celebrations. Carrying anti-government streamers, members of Karapatan and Bayan Bicol stayed briefly at the Ninoy and Cory Avenue where President Aquino's convoy was expected to pass. But the group left the area due to tight security.
Pinakausap na natin sila at they gave us an assurance na hindi naman sila maggugulo. At saka nagdagdag tayo ng mga pulis para na bantayan sila at saka makontrol na rin yung kalsada.
Militants tried to head to Plaza Oragon to continue their protest but they were blocked by authorities. They were forced to hold their activities in Barangay Tabuco instead.
Inaasahan namin ito. Inaasahan namin, pero ito ang mahirap sa Pilipinas. We just concerned sa democratic rights natin. We are just concerned na ipaabot yung boses, yung problema ng mga Pilipino. Pero ganito ang ginagawa ng mga pulis.
Some members of Alakbayan, however, managed to slip past security, including 19-year-old university student Emmy Harris, who was detained by authorities for heckling President Aquino during his speech.
Basic right natin bilang mamamayan na makapagpahayag ng mga sentimento na hindi lang ako bilang isang Pilipino, kundi lahat ng mamamayan underrepresented.
He is facing charges of public disturbance. Reporting from Naga City, Miles Melia, ABS-CBN News.